Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with two essentials: a signed-in Google account and active Gemini access so you can call up photo features. Once signed in, open Chrome or an updated browser, then navigate directly to Photos or the Gemini Image tab. This initiates the pipeline. Make sure camera and microphone permissions are allowed for live capture, and that images are in JPG or PNG. Now tap or click the image area to upload or capture. You're ready for the next steps. You upload or choose the photo, then prompt Gemini with clear instructions. Ask for a scene description, identify objects, or request context like time of day. Once done, refine by cropping the focal area or rotating the image if elements are off-axis. This improves model accuracy. If you need text extracted, say extract text and specify language. Also try follow-up prompts to zoom in on details, compare two areas, or request an explanation of confidence levels. You finalize by saving annotations or exporting results as PNG, PDF, or plain text, and you document key findings. If Gemini mislabels items, reframe the prompt with simpler language, increase image resolution, or crop to the subject. These steps improve recognition. If the tool stalls or shows errors, make sure permissions are granted, clear browser cache, or try a different browser. One quick troubleshooting tip: reload the page while holding Shift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.